Open the glove box, twist this knob right here, and slide it out. And same with this side. This little piece right here, you have to pull out. There's a string on it, and then you have to slide it through the slot right there. And this slides down. Now take this cover off. There's 2 clips right here and 2 on this side. Just squeeze it, slide it off. You can grab the filter and just slide it out. Take the new filter, make sure the arrow is pointing down, and just slide it in position. Take the cover, line it up, and lock it in place. That's good. Now grab this string with the tab on the end, and then as you fold the door up, you need to push the string through that hole right there and pull it through, just like that. Take the knobs. The knobs only go in one way, so slide those in, twist, do the same on this one. Twist, and close the glove box.